Exploring idioms, out with a bang. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, out with a bang. This expression is colorful and commonly used, so understanding it can really enrich your English skills. Let's get started. Before we delve into our specific idiom, it's crucial to understand what idioms are. An idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning cannot be understood from the individual words. Idioms are used to convey a figurative meaning different from the literal meanings of the words themselves. They are a key part of every language and can often be a fun, yet challenging, aspect of learning a new language. Now, let's focus on out with a bang. This phrase is used to describe ending something in a very impressive, exciting, or noteworthy manner. It's often used when something concludes with a lot of energy, noise, or fanfare. The bang here symbolizes a sudden, impactful event. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. A grand finale. Imagine a fireworks show that ends with the biggest and most spectacular fireworks. You might say, the show went out with a bang. 2. A memorable conclusion. If a famous rock band plays an incredible final concert before retiring, you can describe this as, the band went out with a bang. It's important to note that, out with a bang, is typically used for positive or impressive endings. Avoid using it in contexts where the ending is sad or unsuccessful. Also, it's mostly used for events or actions, not for people or objects. And that wraps up our exploration of out with a bang. Remember, idioms like these can add color and expressiveness to your English. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.